Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. So these earbuds have touch areas at the back side, right here at the top, and also at the sides. So right here we have these touch areas, and we need to use touch areas at the sides to volume control. Now, I need to put it to my ear, but firstly, you need to slide up to increase the volume and slide down to lower the volume. Now, I will put it to my ear and let's check it. So, I play some song, I'm going to slide up, and as you can see, this widget, I increase the volume. Now, let's check to slide down, and as you can see at the widget, I lower the volume. And that's it. Now we cannot change it. So we can customize gestures in the HUAWEI AI Life application. But right here it's set to the swipe. As you can see, we have adjust volume. And if I try to edit, let's say for the same touch areas, but for the single press, double press or triple press, right here we have no volume control. The same with the double press, the same with the triple press. Then I can try to edit for the touch areas at the back side, but the same situation where we can play next or previous track, but no volume control. The same for the triple press. And we cannot edit for the press and hold, because for the press and hold we have only two options: to wake up voice assistant or to noise control. So that's it. Maximum you can just disable it, but I don't know, if you need it, you can do this in the application. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.